Witness testimony resumes today in the trial against a mother who admitted to killing her 3 children in early 2023. And once again, Lindsay Clancy's mental health is at the forefront. Her lawyers argue she's not criminally responsible for the murders because she was over-medicated and experiencing extreme postpartum psychosis. And up on the stand so far, 2 psychiatric nurse practitioners who previously treated Clancy. Let's go live now to our legal contributor, Jessica Levinson. Hey, Jessica. So what have testimonies today revealed about Clancy?
So, testimony today is frankly a lot of what we saw yesterday in the sense of we know she got psychiatric treatment, and the prosecution is trying to make the case that nobody ever diagnosed her with psychosis. Nobody ever thought it was going to get to this point, that she saw a number of different either nurse practitioners or psychiatrists, and nobody listed that designation of entering psychosis or having psychotic thoughts that the defense obviously would want. Now, the defense is arguing, yes, she saw a lot of people, but look at what happened with respect to each of them. Each one of them failed her. And so I think in many ways, the defense is trying to put the mental health care that she and others have gotten on the stand and say, did this person have actually any expertise in postpartum depression? Did this person ever see you in person? Uh, did this person listen when you said, I'm having sleep issues and severe anxiety, et cetera, et cetera? So we're continuing to see more of the prosecution saying she might have been suffering severe mental health issues, but not to the point where she's not criminally culpable. And the defense saying, absolutely, she was experiencing mental health issues to that point, and the entire system failed her.
And before testimony even started today, the attorneys, they argued about potential testimony from a TikToker who posted about her experience working at the same hospital Clancy was admitted to. What's at the core of this dispute?
So the prosecution is arguing that this particular person was employed before Clancy ever got to that hospital. That I think the prosecution's line this morning was, this is not TripAdvisor. We don't get to call in people who worked at this particular hospital and have them give reviews. We only want to hear from people who treated Clancy or who have firsthand knowledge of her experience in the hospital. The defense is saying this is helpful to us because it shows that she was not getting adequate care, which, again, to our previous conversation, is the theme of the defense, that she was seeking help and she wasn't getting it from people who were properly providing it. So the judge essentially has to look at what a judge always has to look at in these cases. Is the testimony more prejudicial than probative? Which at its basic core is this going to hurt more than it helps?
Wow, so many attention on this case, so we'll see what happens. Jessica Levinson, thank you so much for your insight.